Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Leon with No More Lines. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and watch the video to the very end. So what you're seeing here is a table of all of the modern Spider-Man movies, outside of the Avengers movies, and it includes the release year. What I want to go over today is using the clipboard using Excel VBA. As you all know, the clipboard has three components. There's a cut, copy, and paste. When you cut, you're basically moving a range or a selection from one location to the other, and a copy means that you're copying it on the clipboard and you can paste it multiple times. Whenever you use Excel VBA, there is a chance that the clipboard it can get utilized by other programs, especially if you're running multiple scripts or subroutines at the same time. There's a chance that if things run at the same time, that the clipboard it can get hung up. And what'll happen is that if some errors out, it'll actually cause an issue with your automation. So I'm going to show you a way of using the clipboard, and then I'm going to show you an easier way of using the clipboard by basically taking a process that takes about 3 steps, and you can turn it into 1 step. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what I mean right now. So let's go to our window, VBA window, and we're gonna just create a test subroutine. So we're gonna do sub test. So what I'm gonna show you here is I'm gonna show you a simple copy and paste using the clipboard. So we're gonna do range, and we're gonna do range A1 .end .excel .down, and what I'm doing here is I'm basically just going to select the entire table. So you see here when I step through it, it will add that range to the clipboard. How you know is that whenever you use Excel and you use the clipboard, whatever you select, it'll be highlighted in a dancing border. So the border is dancing around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select a range that you want to paste it at. So we're going to do range D1 dot select. And we're going to go active sheet dot paste. And then when I go back and I'll rerun it, you'll see that it's going to take that range. It's going to put it on the clipboard. I'm going to select range D1 and I'm going to hit active sheet dot paste, and then from there it's going to paste it. And you notice that it kept the table in the clipboard. So this is really where the issue can happen. So a way of getting rid of that mode and free the clipboard back up is you're going to do application dot cut copy mode equals false. And then when you do that, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to go ahead and paste it. But when I add that line to it, it gets rid of the clipboard. So the clipboard gets freed up. So, and as I said, the issue is between the paste and the clipboard. If you are using, if you're copying, if you're doing something between the 3rd and 4th step, there's a chance that the automation can fail or something can happen with it, and it'll hang up your entire process. So I'm going to show you an alternative to this, where instead of it being 4 lines of code, it'll actually be a single line. So I'll show you. So we're going to go ahead and cheat. We're going to put that first line. We're going to create a second subroutine. But we're going to change it this time. We're going to do copy, and we're going to do destination equals range G1. So this actually makes the copy 1 step, because what you're doing is that the first criteria, or this actually is not the first criteria, is this parameter destination. It's part of that copy function. So let me show you. So you can actually turn this 4 step into a 1 step. And also too, it doesn't tie up the clipboard at all. It does in one single step. So you see, does the same thing, but much faster. And what's cool about this too is that it has other uses to it. I'm gonna show you another one where I can actually add in a new sheet at the same time. So we're gonna do sheets.add, and you'll see that it'll actually put it in a new sheet. So we're gonna just add in a second test 2, and you see here it actually added in a new sheet. So it does it all within a single step. So this way is just a way to make it to where whenever you're working with the clipboard, you'll be able to turn those 4 steps into 1 step, and you'll also be able to not have to have an issue where you're freeing up the clipboard, or you're having issues where you're locking up the clipboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the comment section or description box. I'm going to put a link to this. If you want to download it, you're free to do it. Hopefully you found this helpful. I think this will save some lines of code, definitely. And for people that are having the clipboard issue where it's pasting wrong, this will actually alleviate that issue. So yeah, you have a blessed day and you take care. Thank you.